Let's do a quick comparison of switches and routers. Switches typically operate at layer 2. A common protocol at layer 2 is Ethernet. Switches are typically automatically configuring, and forwarding tends to be quite fast, since packets only need to be processed through layer 2 on flat lookups. Routers, on the other hand, typically operate at layer 3, where IP is the common protocol, and router-level topologies are not restricted to a spanning tree. One can even have multipath routing, where a single packet could be sent along one of multiple possible paths in the underlying router-level topology. So in many ways, Ethernet or layer 2 switching is a lot more convenient, but one of the major limitations is broadcast. The spanning tree protocol messages and ARP queries both impose a fairly high load on the network. So this raises the question of whether it's possible to get many of the benefits of the auto-configuration and fast forwarding of layer 2 without facing these broadcast limitations. As it turns out, there are ways to strike this balance, and in the third part of the course, when we talk about network management, we will look at some ways to scale Ethernet to very large topologies, for example, in data center networks. We'll also explore how an emerging technology called software-defined networking, or SDN, is effectively blurring the boundary between layer 2 and layer 3.